Now, let's take a moment to explain the statement of work or SOW process. The first and second steps are for you all to complete your participant list and return it to dab@contexture.org no later than February 21st, which is next week. Once your participant list is received, the QI advisors will review the completeness and accuracy of this. Once it's approved, we will add the form as an exhibit to your statement of work, which will be sent to the authorized signer in your organization for execution via DocuSign. The authorized signer then will review, sign, and submit the SOW no later than April 1st. Please note that this is the first milestone for the contextual programs, and after this date, we will not be able to receive SOWs for the CY 2026. Next, Larissa will cover the roles and responsibility for both parties, contexture and participants.
Let's take a moment and review the roles and responsibilities of both contexture and the participants. Milestones vary based on your provider type and are progressive over time. For each HIE milestone referenced in the DAP CYE 2026 preliminary public notice, these slides provide a description of the respective roles and responsibilities for both contexture and the access participating provider. It is important to review the milestones that apply to your organization and the respective roles and responsibilities to determine what steps and activities must be completed to achieve the DAP milestones. When it comes to the scope of work, Contexture's responsibility is to provide the participant list to the participants. Review and attach this participant list as an exhibit to the statement of work. Send this statement of work to the authorized representative at your facility. The participant's responsibility is to contact Contexture as soon as possible, and then complete and return the provider list by February 21st, 2025. The authorized representative at your facility must execute the statement of work via DocuSign no later than April 1st, 2025. For submitting ADTs electronically, Contexture's role is to provide participants with detailed technical specifications, listing the types of data required for submission within each category noted. Assign resources and complete all agreed upon timelines and activities to ensure that participant meets their DAP deadline. The participant's role, along with any vendor partners, is to complete activities related to the interface development and ADT data submission. It is important for the participant to stay engaged and meet all mutually agreed upon deadlines and requirements in order to meet all DAP deadlines. Contexture's role with data quality is to utilize the data sets sent in by the participant to create the initial data quality profile. Share this profile with the participant and discuss any gaps in data segments such that the participant can work internally to close those identified gaps. The participant's role is to collaborate with Contexture on any required activities in order for us to complete the initial data quality profile for the participant. Once the data quality profile is received, the participant will collaboratively review the gaps identified with Contexture and develop a work plan to address these gaps. I will now pass it back to Israel.
Lastly, we want to ensure that you will have the contact information accessible. Please reach out to your QI advisor for any questions regarding DAP. If you don't know who your QI advisor is, please email dap@contexture.org. If you are not an HIE participant yet, please contact us at getconnected@contexture.org. To learn more, please visit our website at contexture.org/dap. Now, it's time to move to the questions and answer section.